So this is how Henry looks without the battery cover. Annoying when you find these models without the battery cover. Now with the battery cover, if you find it, it's for sale sometimes for $8, $10, and if you are lucky, you might find it for $3. But that's rare cases. Now I made a solution. I 3D printed battery covers for Henry. They are the exact distance, I mean the exact measurements, and they are press fit. You don't need to worry about the tabs that go inside here, but they work perfectly. Excellent. Now, if interested, check the link in the description. I will have them available. Just it's a prototype. Just remember, it's a prototype. Might not fit Trackmaster. I'm talking about the Henry 2009 with the screw hole, that might not work on this. This battery covers might not work for that Henry. Now, like I say, if you are interested, check the link below. But these are press fit, like a press fit, very tight, see, very tight battery covers, especially for these models. Check the link. So I'm doing research, and if you're interested, I'm going for a limited time, I will have this available on eBay, just a few, and I will post more as soon as I get more filaments.